Welcome to our roundup of the best personal robot options. Whether you're looking for a smart desktop companion, an educational robot kit, or an AI-powered friend that adds personality to your space, we've selected top-rated personal robots that combine intelligence, interactivity, and fun design. We'll break down each robot's key features like AI behavior, build quality, learning ability, and user interaction to help you find the perfect robotic companion for your home or workspace. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal personal robot for you. The first on the list is the Energy Lab Alico Aquamarine. This charming little robot is designed to feel less like a gadget and more like a living companion on your desk. With its expressive OLED face, touch-sensitive interaction, and emotion-driven AI behavior, Alico creates a surprisingly personal experience that reacts to how you treat it. It displays a wide range of emotions, from happiness to sleepiness, and even boredom, depending on your interaction patterns. This makes it feel alive in a way that most desktop devices simply cannot replicate. The aquamarine color also gives it a playful and modern aesthetic that stands out beautifully in any workspace or bedroom setup. What truly sets Alico apart is how it responds to touch and movement. Tap its head, shake the table, or gently pet it, and you will see different emotional reactions play out on its face. These animations are smooth, detailed, and surprisingly lifelike. It can also interact with other Alico robots if placed nearby, creating synchronized reactions and playful conversations that are fun to watch. This makes it an excellent addition for people who enjoy interactive tech toys or want something unique to personalize their desk. Despite its small size, Alico has strong build quality and is designed to last. The materials feel premium and the internal motors that drive its expressions are quiet and smooth. Overall, the Alico Aquamarine is perfect for anyone who wants a cute, responsive, and emotionally expressive robot companion that adds life and personality to their daily environment. Next up is the GoHero Robot Building Kit. This is not just a robot you use, but a robot you build, which makes it ideal for curious minds, students, and tech enthusiasts. With hands-on modular assembly, programmable movement, and STEM learning focus, this kit turns robotics into an engaging educational experience. You assemble the robot piece by piece, learning how motors, sensors, and control boards work together to create movement and intelligence. It is both a toy and a powerful learning tool that encourages creativity and problem solving. Once assembled, the GoHero robot can be programmed to move, detect obstacles, and perform various actions using beginner-friendly coding platforms. This makes it an excellent introduction to robotics and programming for young learners and hobbyists. The instructions are clear and the components are well labeled, so the building process feels rewarding rather than frustrating. It bridges the gap between learning theory and real-world application in a very hands-on way. The durability of the parts ensures that the robot can be rebuilt and modified multiple times. Users can experiment with different configurations and coding sequences, allowing endless possibilities for learning and experimentation. While it may not have the personality or AI expressions of other robots on this list, its strength lies in education and customization. Overall, the GoHero Robot Building Kit is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to learn robotics from the ground up while having fun building and programming their own smart machine. Next, we have the Loi Robot in Space Black. This AI desktop robot transforms your smartphone into a moving, intelligent robotic companion. Featuring smartphone-powered AI brain, facial tracking movement, and interactive voice responses, Loi uses your phone's processing power to deliver a surprisingly advanced robotic experience. Once mounted onto the Loi base, your phone becomes its face and brain, allowing the robot to see, hear, and respond intelligently. Loi can track your face as you move around the desk, turning its head and body to follow you across the desk. It responds to voice commands, answers questions, and even displays animated facial expressions on your phone screen. This gives it far more flexibility than many standalone robots because your phone continuously upgrades its capabilities. It can integrate with apps, provide reminders, answer queries, and even entertain with jokes and reactions. The sleek black design gives it a futuristic appearance, and its movement across surfaces feels smooth and responsive. It can roam across your desk without falling thanks to built-in sensors. Overall, the Loi Robot is ideal for users who want a smart, interactive, and constantly improving AI robot that leverages the power of their smartphone. Next, we have the Digital Dream Labs Vector Robot. Vector is one of the most advanced personal robots available, offering true autonomous AI behavior in a compact body. With autonomous navigation, voice command recognition, and self-charging capability, Vector feels like a miniature robotic pet with its own mind in the world. It can move around your desk independently, avoid obstacles, and explore its surroundings using built-in sensors and cameras. Vector responds to voice commands and can answer questions, set timers, and provide information. It has a small but expressive screen that displays animated eyes full of personality. Unlike many robots that require constant input, Vector acts independently, reacting to movement, sound, and touch. When its battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock without assistance, which adds to the feeling that it is a truly intelligent machine. Its build quality is excellent, and the movements are smooth and precise. Vector's personality shines through its animations and reactions, making it engaging to watch throughout the day. It feels less like a device and more like a robotic companion that shares your workspace. While some advanced features do require a subscription, the core experience is already impressive. Overall, the Vector robot is perfect for those who want a highly intelligent, autonomous robot with real AI personality and functionality. The last one on our list is the Energy Lab Alic. This robot takes everything people loved about expressive desktop robots and perfects it. With highly detailed emotional animations, interactive touch response, and multi-robot communication, Alic delivers one of the most engaging robot companion experiences available. Its face displays dozens of emotions and reactions that make it feel incredibly lifelike and charming. Alic reacts when you tap it, shake the desk, or interact with it in different ways. It can get sleepy, playful, or even grumpy depending on how you treat it. When placed next to another Alic, they communicate and play together, creating adorable synchronized reactions. This makes it incredibly entertaining to watch and interact with throughout the day. The compact design fits perfectly on any desk, and the materials feel durable and premium. It's simple to charge and requires minimal setup, making it accessible for all ages. While it does not perform practical tasks like productivity, its goal is to bring joy and personality to your environment, and it does this extremely well. Overall, the Energy Lab Alic is the ultimate personal robot companion for anyone who wants a fun, expressive, and interactive desk friend. So, that's it for the best personal robots you can bring into your home or workspace. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.